Hi guys, just been using this Kapro measure made to hang up a large jersey display frame, and it worked pretty good. It has so many features, you really need to get used to that. What I've noticed so far is that we have this hanging tool here, so we can just hang it on the wall like that, or we can just push here from the front here in the center and then pull it out and then use it like that, align it, push it down. No, just kidding, that's not where we are using this. But you can definitely use it to measure some diameters. Here has some numbers imprinted. Could be also a nice thing to measure the diameter of some anchors so you know which drill to use. Or you can use it as a nail holder. You can see it works for larger nails. So you can hold it like that, use your hammer so you don't have to hit your thumb. You can hit this thing here. Definitely doesn't hurt so much. Works also for smaller nails. You can see that here has pretty nice hold. And so here also the basic instructions. More here in the back. But of course we want to focus here on the main tool. We have two levels here, one vertical, one horizontal. I think that's really good. You can see it works really nicely accurate. Then we have these two plastic parts which you can adjust left and right. So let's use the original box here to demonstrate how this works. So we align it here, and what's very helpful here is to use also the center mark, the 0. So work a little bit with that, move it left, right, so at the very end the 0 is in the middle. Or we have the same number right and left here when we are using this side. By the way, it was not originally on this side here. The plastic were installed on this side here, so you can easily switch. You can remove them to the side, turn it around, slide it in here. So this is how it was. So here we have full length in inches, but I figured it's better here. So we can nicely center it here. And so you can see we are around 5 and 5 here on both sides. Adjust it to the perfect size. And so we can use that to center it, for example, in the center of a wall. Or again, use just the normal measurement tool here in inches. But we have even more. We have this ruler here. And there are actually two. So one indicator starts here on the right side, moves to the left side. That's 600 millimeters. But when we turn it around, we can start here on the left side and go to the right side up to 600 millimeters. So we have a lot of options, 2 times inches, 2 times millimeters, centimeters, and it makes a really good solid impression. I mean, this thing here is solid metal, I guess aluminum, so we can use it easily to cut with something along the side. We don't have to be worried. I can tell you I've been searching for long time, many hours, to find the perfect product for me, and it has turned out it's this one here, Kapro. I think that's the thing to go, at least in 2025, but probably also for the upcoming years. I haven't seen a lot of innovation regarding such tools recently, and so I think that's definitely a keeper. So full recommendation from my side, so you can buy directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.